Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to use the Explore tool in Google Drawings. So if you click on the Tools menu, the second item down is the Explore tool. And what this will allow you to do when you click on it is, inside the interface for the Google Drawing, you can now search the web or your drive for documents or images that either you may want to include in the Google Drawing itself or contain something you want to include in the Google Drawing. So we click on the little search box and we do a quick search. So if I type in calculus, under the web tab it will show me a list of different web pages that it thinks I might be interested in, that might have some content that maybe I want to put in this Google Drawing. I can search images. And if I click on an image, all right, I like this image, so now I have this option to insert it. So I can insert that into the drawing, or I can search my own drive. And what will happen here is it's not going to let me insert the actual document into the Google Drawing. But if I open it, if I click on it, it will open, and then this document may have something in it that maybe I'm going to copy and paste into my Google Drawing or something like that. So there may actually be content within those documents that I want to add to that Google Drawing somehow. But this is a good way where you can be working inside of a Google Drawing and you want to find content specifically related to a very specific subject or topic, and then you can find it and include that content that you find into that Google Drawing so it stays on theme.